Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then pick battery, and now click on battery saver to activate it right here. As you can see, now it's active. You can recognize it due to those red bars, and that means that you are currently in lower power solution mode. Then if you would like to switch off battery saver, just tap on the same switcher again. If you would like to add some automatic rule, click on the left edge of battery saver tab, then select turn on automatically, and here you can pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. Let me pick 5% of the battery. And from now on, every time the battery is lower than 5%, battery saving mode will be automatically activated. You can also have a quick access to power saving mode through the upper bar, so all you have to do is to slide down the upper bar, locate battery saver, just click on it, and now it's active. Then if you'd like to switch it off, click again. And that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device. This is how you can activate and deactivate power saving mode in your BLU. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.